So this is our front door. It's something that we've looked to update for some time now, and we are finally ready to start that next project. So the door itself has a single pane glass window at the moment, which does allow a lot of cold to come in and probably most of our heat to escape. Similarly to the wooden door, wooden doors are probably the most efficient on the market at the moment. They shrink and they do expand, and for ours we also have a hole in it, so it does allow a lot of cold to come in. The reason why we would like to update the door is to modernise it slightly and push the door out to the porch and completely remove the porch and have a larger hallway, which will also push all of this lovely natural light into it too. So I was instantly impressed with Palladio doors after coming across them on their social media, and the fact that they have a 12-year manufacturing guarantee on all of their doors, as well as them being foil wrapped instead of painted so that they don't fade over time. They have this amazing customizable tool on their website which allows you to pick and choose from a vast range of different styles, including the ability to incorporate window panes in there too, and also pick the hardware. I definitely recommend that you give them a try and have a go yourself. Wow, just look at my new door from Palladio collection. This is incredible. It's just a lovely colour. I love that it's foil wrapped. This is an avant-garde collection door, so it's got a lovely big window which does allow a lot of light to flood into my hallway, as well as these window panes either side that really finish it off. I'm absolutely over the moon with it. It's just going to completely transform the indoors as well. This is such a massive transformation from what the porch looked like, and also with the new windows, this has really brought this house into the 21st century, and as well as that, it's increased my security because the porch just was not safe at all. So now I can feel safe leaving the house without worrying that someone could break in.